Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll explore another practical example inside Revit. As you know, manually placing families one by one can often be time-consuming, especially when their exact positions are already available in AutoCAD files. In this example, we'll automate the placement of a lighting fixture family at predefined locations based on imported AutoCAD data. As you can see, in AutoCAD, each lighting fixture is represented by a block named Lights. We want to place our lighting family exactly on these block positions. There are also other blocks named Lights 2, which we'll test later as well.
Now let's switch to Revit and write our prompt. We'll ask BIMLOGIQ Copilot to automatically detect all the lights blocks from the imported CAD file. Place the lighting fixture family on each of them and set the required parameters such as the offset below ceiling plane.
As shown, the plugin successfully identified all blocks, placed the lighting fixtures accurately, and applied the correct height parameter.
Next, we can save this setup as a command so we can reuse it later for other block types.
Let's test this command on the Lights 2 blocks and see the result. For this test, we'll use the same type as before. We can either keep the default fields as they are or fill them in differently depending on the situation. Perfect! The lighting family was placed correctly on all of them. Now you can use this command in any project, anytime, without rewriting the prompt. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.